Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. This week has been one of fire, rain, and ice. A large fire started on Sunday east of Freedom. By Tuesday afternoon, the Red Horse Fire was no more, thanks to great work by firefighters and higher humidities on Tuesday. At noon on Tuesday, the relative humidities at Freedom and Alva were 85%. An estimated 3,600 acres burned Sunday and Monday. Along with the fire on Monday, cold air plunged into the state, only to come to a stop over Oklahoma City overnight. A graph of air temperature and winds from Norman takes a dip after 5 p.m. as cold air passed the Norman Mesonet Tower. 3 hours later, close to 8 p.m., the cold air moved back north. An hour later, at 9, the cold air was back over Norman, but only for 20 minutes. It slid north again for a second time and stayed that way until 7:30 Tuesday morning. Then it plowed its way back across Norman and raced south and east. By 3:40 Tuesday afternoon, only a small tip in the southeast corner of Oklahoma had air temperatures in the 60s and 70s. The rest of the state was dealing with air temperatures in the 30s and 20s. Cattle Comfort Index temperatures were frigid behind the front, from the teens to -8 in the Panhandle Tuesday morning. Mangum was 63 degrees at 5 minutes before 8 a.m. 65 minutes later at 9 a.m., the Cattle Comfort temperature had dropped 50 degrees to 13 at Mangum. For cattle, it wasn't just the cold that caused them stress. Heavy rain soaked their hair coat. Radar indicated heavy rain on both sides of the blue freeze line in central Oklahoma on Tuesday morning. That rain was followed by ice. The moisture added to the cold stress from low temperatures and wind. The positive in all of this rain and winter mix was all the moisture we received over the state. In the 24 hours up to 7:30 Tuesday night, green areas of the state had received more than an inch of rain. There was even a dark green band where more than 3 inches of rain fell. This map shows only the moisture from the first round of rain on Tuesday. It doesn't show water from melted ice or rain at the end of this week. Cold, freezing weather stalls plant development, but plants will take off again as soon as a few warmer days return. Wheat First hollow stem heat units had pushed the green line that indicates the time to check early group wheat varieties for First hollow stem far to the north in a line from Tulsa to Woodward by Monday. For middle group varieties, the green line was 1 to 2 counties north of the Red River through Monday, February 19th. We hope you get enough ice melt and rain to ease drought for you and your neighbors. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Mesonet Weather Report.